verses 13 to 14. Sabi diyan, their throat is an open tomb. With their tongues, they keep deceiving. The poison of asps is under their lips, whose mouth is full of cursing and bitterness. Now, si Pablo moves from man's character to man's speech para ipakita na hindi lang character ang corrupt, kundi maging yung ating mga conversations are corrupt. Ginawa niya ito to further highlight yung need natin ng righteousness na nanggagaling lamang sa Panginoon. Verses 13 to 14 are all about kung paano tayo magsalita as fallen humanity as a whole. Now, bakit hinighlight ito ni Pablo? Kasi mga kapatid, the mouth reveals the heart. Parang sinasabi ni Pablo na how a person talks reveals yung totoong kalagayan ng kanyang puso. Corrupt speech flows from a corrupt heart. Sinabi rin ito ni Jesus sa Luke chapter 6:45, sabi niya, out of the abundance of the heart, his mouth speaks. Sa Matthew 15, sinabi din ni Jesus that what comes out of the mouth comes from the heart. In other words, kung gusto mong malaman what is in a person's heart, makinig kang mabuti to what comes out of his mouth. Kung yung bibig natin, kasi yung bibig natin is open, siya yung first indicator of what is really in the heart. And notice kung paano ito dinescribe ni Pablo na para siyang nagpa-perform ng surgery. No? Nag-umpisa siya sa throat, tapos pumunta siya sa tongue, tapos sa lips, and finally, sa mouth itself. No? Na parang tinitrace ni Pablo yung corruption ng speech natin from the inside out.